So I'm gonna choose this song because I'm. Oh my god, I know this guy. Oh, he's the one that I do. So because I'm dog, it's actually actually have to go to sleep soon. 'Cause it's fine. Since I'm bad, I'm gonna play at -1 speed. Yes, that's a lie. My best is -1. Can you guys make like that? Dang! Let me show you what that is. That's absurd. Can you even hear me? Who knows? Never know what I'm hitting. Yeah, Jesus, you know. Like, what was that? We're gonna do this because I'm not a big man. I'm not a big man. I can't do it. Those dads who can do that 3 times speed are. I don't even. Oh, that's just embarrassing. That's so embarrassing. Anyway, the Chads who can do it at 3 times speed are just not born right. Or no, they're born too right, you know? They're just better. I don't know how, though. Oh, that was embarrassing. I don't want to embarrass myself anymore, you know? It just hurts. Oh. Should I quit? What is life worth? Why am I doing this? No, I'm a big man. I'm strong. I'm powerful. Oh, 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 oh. So embarrassing. Oh, oh. Somebody's texting me. Hold up. Selma did. Okay, whatever. She disliked my smiley face. I'll just be a bigger man. That's so embarrassing. I'm quitting. I'm quitting. Ah! No, I want to play with other people. It's hard. Do I want to play? I do this. I want to join the club. I wanna play. Is this hard? Yes. Oh. Well, that's such a cute frowny thing. Okay, not the point. How did I get to this level? I don't even know. I'm scared. Oh. Oh. Don't put that opening. I'm gonna die. Um. I was last place. Oh, that's embarrassing. That's so. What the heck? Look, I'm locked. I'm locked. Play it again. Play it again. Why do these people sweat? No, I'm quitting. Jesus. Hello. Hell no, I ain't doing that. Maybe another song. It's too late! How are they doing this, by the way? I, how are you doing this? I'm just shaking my arm. Oh. I'm scared. Let's not. Let's not. Dude, wow! Look at that! These people are so good. Dang. Should I leave? Oh, I'm party leader. Hell no. Let's just do something easy. What's up, Bob? Let's see if I cannot die. Guys, I'm really bad at this game. Is there any game I'm good at? Question mark? Ooh. Ooh. Why are they so small? Oh, Jesus. That was so embarrassing. Maybe I should quit. There's always bigger fish in the sea. I just gotta man up and take it, you know? Oh, shoot. Hell nah, what was that? Oh my god, I did awful. Oh my god, my new bed. It's terrible. Let's spectate. I actually hate when people spectate me. It's so scary. 4 people are spectating this guy. Oh. Oh. Anyway. Yo, Kurt. I don't know, I'm reading chat. I'm so nosy. Anyway.